In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted videos on YouTube. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you have deleted some videos from your YouTube channel and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open the YouTube application. Click on your profiles icon at the bottom right corner of your screens. Then scroll down and tap on help and feedback. Click on send feedback and tap on get started. Okay, now in this box you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. You have to write down that you deleted some videos from your YouTube channel and now you want to recover them. Or you can just copy paste whatever I'm writing here. I'll put the paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. Once you have stated down the issue, tap on next. And after you click on next, within the next 24 hours, your deleted videos on YouTube will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.